Hi friends, today I'm here again with a new unboxing video of my deck, and this deck is very special for me because this is Geeta deck. Yes, Geeta. I want to tell you about something about this Geeta. Bhagavad Gita is a very religious book, or it's not exactly religious book, it is the book, it is very important for Indian culture, it is very important. This book is written by Vyasji about 5154 precisely years ago, and it has having 18 chapters and 700 verses, and Gita Gyan is given by Shri Krishna ji to Arjun, and still in this age, in this era, this Gita is still that valuable because it gives you the how to live your life, how to live your life happily. This, if you follow Gita, if you follow nothing, nothing in this world but only Gita, then you are going to achieve a lot in your life, and not only by wealth, but also the karmas, the soul, and from inside to outside, everything is going to be so pure, clear, and the way you live life, the it's amazing, it's really amazing. And now today I'm having this Gita deck, so shall we start this unboxing thing? This is one of my favorites book, Bhagavad Gita, and last year in COVID we completed reading it, whole 18 chapters, whole family together, and very nice experience. And when you read Gita, and when you understand Gita, it was initially written in the Sanskrit. Now it is available in Hindi, in English, in many languages. You can get these copies from ISKCON people, and all over the world they have this Bhagavad Gita. And beautiful, and this is one of my favorites, so I'm very excited about it. How's the deck is, how's the book is. Okay, this is little bit about the Gita deck. And this is the very first card of Hanumanji, one of the most powerful god, Hanumanji. It is son of Shiva, and you can say son of Pavan. It's matte finish cards, and here front is picture, and back side there is a message written over it. This card is individuality, and the chapter 2 verse 12. न त्वेवाहं जातु नासं न त्वं न मे जनाधिपा न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम्. This is Sanskrit, and now the English meaning is: at no time did I not exist, nor you, nor any of these kings, nor in the future shall any of us cease to be. Very deep meaning, and you will get this. This is the picture where Lord Krishna giving Gyan to Arjun at the Mahabharat war at Kurukshetra. This is tolerance. This is eternal soul, that is Radha Krishna. This is also Krishna rebirth. This is overcome fear. Beautiful picture. If you see the colors and all, these are really very beautiful, very beautiful. Mode of goodness. So, see, very beautiful. Manmohan Roop of Krishna. Oh, Ganesh ji, my favorite. Ganesh ji. This Saraswati Ma. Again, Ganesh ji with the sacrifice card is there. Ma Lakshmi. Shivji for leadership. Shiva and Ganesh. Ganesh is son of Shiva. And see wisdom. One Vishnu. Equal vision. Friend or enemy. It's a Ras. Krishna ji is playing Ras. Ras is a one sort of dance form that Krishna ji usually do with his all girls who like Krishna ji and who love, and whole city, whole village girls, they get together and do the Ras. Source of all, Vishnu and Lakshmi ji, the lamp of knowledge, Maharshi Sandipni Ashram, best of yogis, Ma Durga, most powerful goddess, Ma Durga, Ma Kali, all the goddess in the Indian culture, they all the lady goddess are very powerful over here. Krishna and Sudama, this is the one of the very best stories for the friendship, how friendship should be, how friends should be. That's Krishna and Sudama. So guys, I hope you also like these cards, and the back side there's a deep meaning of these cards, and I'll check it out the next time how it is going to work. I'll make video for it. I'll take out the cards for you guys, and you can write your questions in the comment box, and you can contact me directly also. And please like, follow, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, so you will get to know the next video soon. And the full moon is just coming in the 2 days, so I am going to charge these cards with the full moon, and then I am going to give messages, good big cards. I like the big cards, so these cards really very nice and one of my favorites. So thank you guys.